Guys, my name is On. Today I'm going to show you my bird whistle. Get it real quick. Oh, it's right here. Bird whistle. And it's like, you whistle it like a bird. But, yeah, no, man. That's my mom. And you have to put water in here to be able to whistle. So, let's try it. So, I'll put some water in it. One thing about this is whistle like a bird. But, you know what? It might be water. So I'll put water. Let's test it. That whistle, I'm going to tell you about this whistle. You know, inside the water. Dạ coi. Dạ con mama again. Thì mà muốn coi thì coi. So inside this there's water. When you whistle it like a bubble popped it like bubble inside and make a noise. And the microphone is made in Paris. Okay, the cool thing is the hole right here. But you can put your mouse in there. Can't. Okay, bye.